These are the expenses that we can foresee happening in the next 12 months, every single month. Accounting fee. This could be if you have a bookkeeper. Do you have a regular bookkeeper? Or is it at the end of the year that you actually get someone to do your taxes? Either way, what are your costs for accounting? For an industry that's manufacturing, definitely having someone who's $300 a month, if not higher, is pretty reasonable. We'll go with $500. Legal. Let's say for this one, we have someone on retainer, $200 per month. It's probably going to be much higher than that. So let's say $1,000 per month, especially for anything having to do with IP, intellectual property. Patents would be even higher. Other professional services, nothing. Leased equipment, no, I bought it all. Supplies, definitely any sort of packaging or even other stuff that could be involved in here, or paper or photocopier, ink, anything like that would go under supplies. Telephone per month, let's say I got a really good deal, $40 per month. Internet, say not as good of a deal, $60 per month. Insurance, what are your insurance? Pretty typical is $300 or higher for insurance for any company. Other utilities, especially from a manufacturing facility, this could be through the roof. And other per month. Again, I'm going to give myself a little bit of latitude, $1,500. How much funding? Okay, so how much cash will I be putting into the business? Well, you just say how much you have available. How much will you be borrowing? How about for all of this, I think I'm going to be borrowing another $120,000. I'm going to want a 5-year term loan, which happens to be 60 months, which auto-populates, and the annual interest rate that I'm able to get, let's say it's 10%. The business income rate, 16%, and now we have all the basics filled out. Now that we've answered all of these questions, we can move to the 5th tab, which is the income statement, where all of our projected sales as well as our monthly expenses have been tabulated to figure out what our monthly income amounts are.